people, welcome back to the news channel, and this is Afri's Concept TV, where you get the latest and the hottest news. This is a news channel that keeps you updated on everything going on in the country. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure to do that now. And if you are a new subscriber, we say welcome to Afri's Concept TV. Sit back and relax, because you are going to be getting everything that you are going to need to be updated on the happenings in the country and even outside the country. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, I say welcome back to Afri's Concept TV, and I'm sure you keep coming back because you get value from this channel. Let's go right to the headlines for today. There's nothing wrong with Peter Obi's statement. Tinubu owns private jets. Dele Momodu knocks Onanuga. People, yes, this is the headlines for today, as Dele Momodu has come out to talk back to Bayo Onanuga, the President Tinubu's special advisor on information and strategy, saying that there is nothing wrong with what Peter Obi has said, that Tinubu has private jets, not even one. Yes, my people, that is the headlines. Let's listen to the news info. The chieftain of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Dele Momodu, has berated the special advisor to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on information and strategy, Bayo Onanuga, over his reaction regarding the comments of former governor of Anambra State, Peter Obi, on the plan to acquire presidential jets. Nigeria On Point reported that the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, LP, Peter Obi, on Monday condemns the move by the federal government to buy new aircraft for the presidential fleet. Peter Obi described the move as insensitive, while Nigerians grapple with economic hardship occasioned by the federal government policies. However, Onanuga, in a swift reaction, described Obi's comment as insensitive, wondering if he would rather have the life of the president jeopardized by flying faulty aircraft. In a post via his social media page, Dele Momodu backed Peter Obi's statement and suggestion, stressing that there is no reason to acquire presidential jets when the country is going through hard times. The veteran journalist noted that Tinubu owned private jets before he was declared president and should demonstrate the sacrifice he has been preaching to Nigerians. He wrote, "In these hard times, there is no compulsory reason for a country to own presidential jets. In fact, it is an overindulgence. Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu owned private jets even before he was declared president. He can demonstrate the sacrifice he preaches by downsizing and returning to them and requesting his retinue to go commercial when absolutely necessary. Air Peace has a fleet of Boeing 777 that can be hired for long-haul flights, and this will keep them in business. Trouble is our politicians are outlandishly flamboyant. There's nothing wrong with what Peter Obi said and suggested." And yes, so that's the news, as Dele Momodu has come out to blast Bayo Onanuga, and also speaking to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, saying that he has private jets and is always saying that Nigerians should sacrifice this time. And they've also told him that, okay, since you said Nigerians should sacrifice, let us also sacrifice your private jet and be using it for the country. That's what Dele Momodu has told Peter Obi. And yes, my people, that is the news for today. Make sure to like the video, comment, let us know what you think about this news. Let us know your mind regarding this news that you've just listened to, because we are very interested in your feedback. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you every time that we post up a new content. Look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.